Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to log in Doctrina.ai. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar of it you will have to type Doctrina.ai. This will land you on the official website of Doctrina, where in the top right hand corner of the screen you are going to see two options. The first is of login and the second one is of sign up. So if you haven't already created your account on Doctrina, then you first have to create your account by providing your email address and your password. Now if you have successfully created your account, then you will have to click on login. After that, you will be landed on this page where you need to provide your username and your password in this section. Then you need to press the login button in the bottom. Once done, it will show you that you have logged in successfully. So now you can use Doctrina AI. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.